for you?
Let me get a sausage and cheese biscuit, please, and a large sweet tea.
Okay, anything else?
That's it.
All right, second window, please.
Thank you.
Here you are. Have a good day.
Thank you, too. First spot this morning. Thank you for joining this episode of Freedom Fishing. I'm showing my commitment to the channel and my love of fishing today. It is windy, cold, and it's going to rain. We're going to start off with a 3-inch gulp with a little orange tail. We're here at the jetties here in St. Augustine, just left the boat club, and it's blowing and going. And we're going to try to turn it into some fish and a good episode. So thanks for joining, guys. There he is. Oh, fish on. Fish on. There we go. A little bit of weight to it. Not a monster, but definitely a little bit of weight. Don't be a pup. What is this? Wow. Oh my goodness. What a beautiful fish. A little baby black drum. That's a beautiful baby black drum. Where's that guy? He's drumming for me this morning. Thank you, sir. The bite. Brother, you are a beautiful little fish. Look at this guy. What a beautiful fish. He's so pretty. Just a gorgeous little baby black drum. Awesome catch. Thank you, sir. There we go. Fish on, fish on. Got a little snapper here probably. Yeah, just a baby snapper. Probably a lot of these guys today in this cold, windy weather. Barely hooked. All right, little buddy. See you, dude. We're at the Lions Bridge. We're hiding from the wind a little bit here. We got an outgoing tide, pretty strong outgoing tide. We had some really good success here the other day, so we're going to give it a shot again. Came back to the jetty. Won't get anything over at the Lions Bridge. This spot right here hides just a little bit from the wind, and I like this spot. I want to use a float rig here. I feel like we got some good potential here, so let that float rig do its thing. Just letting it drift with the current. Have you ever done that before? I did it one other time at the Skyway Bridge in Tampa. The difference between here and there is I was on the bridge and I threw it. Ain't getting that back. Wow, Greg, that was really impressive. Well, if I put this on the video, you know I don't really care about showing how stupid I am at times. Because I was pretty stupid. Oh, it's hilarious, but stupid. Okay, got one. Oh no, I actually got some baits, people. That is an amazing, I got a half a dozen or so. Wow, beautiful, beautiful, perfect. Trying to redfish little menhaden baits on a throw. How about my wrist? Fish on, there we go. Okay, we got a decent fish on now. All right, the float worked. Got something here. Ooh, we have a trout. Looks like maybe we got a trout. Yep, got a trout. Come here, big boy. There we go, yes. Got our trout with the float rig and a live shrimp floating in the current here at the jetty. We've got a nice trout here on the float rig. See if he's legal. We're not keeping him, but let's just see how big he is. I don't see about 17. Pretty good sized little trout. Let's see what he is. Dang, my guessing skills are good. He is right at 17. 17-inch trout right here. Beautiful fish on the float rig here at the jetty in St. Augustine. All right, dude. Thanks, sir. Have a good day. Oh, we had something hit it. There he is. He's back. He's back. There we go. Oh, another good fish. So then we have found the fish. We have found them. I'm going to guess it's another trout. Come on, buddy. Stay pinned. Stay pinned. Boy, patience paid off this morning. He's taking some drag. This is a better fish than the last one. Better fish than the last one. What do we got here? Be a nice trout. Be a nice big trout. Oh yeah, he's taking some drag for sure. Come on, buddy. Show yourself. Show yourself. Do we have a big trout? Oh yeah, we got. Oh boy, we got a nice trout. Stay in the. I really haven't seen any, but I think it's a trout. No, it might be a redfish. Yeah, it's a redfish. We got a redfish. All right, some nice variety in this terrible weather. Really pretty redfish too. Come on, dude. Come to me. There we go. There you go, buddy. Thank you, sir. Oh, hooked perfectly right in the corner of the mouth. This is a beautiful fish. I just love the redfish. I think are my favorite fish from an appearance perspective. Let's measure this guy real quick. He's a slot fish. He's probably, let's say he's right at 19 or 20. Let's see what we got. He's right at 19. Thank you, sir. You are a beautiful fish. Thank you for the fight. The float rig paying off here at the jetty with his outgoing tide, just floating that float rig in that heavy current there. And nice trout, a nice redfish back to back. See you, buddy. There's some fish in here. Bail open. Trying to keep it as tight as I can. And we're down. And we're fish on, fish on. Fish on, yes. We have found the mother lode, ladies and gentlemen. This isn't as big a fish. It's going right to me right now. Little rat red. Pretty little rat red. Alright, dude. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You're not the one that was trying to catch it a minute ago, I know. Thanks for coming to the party. There we go, fish off. Okay, we got the drag puller this time. Not a ton of drag. He's pulling some drag. He's trying to. Where's the back of the boat? We might have we got a jack. The variety is good today. A boat flip jack. Okay, buddy. Thank you, sir. I'll take that. Fun little fight. Probably the best fighting fish in the ocean. One of them, anyway. Pound for pound. Little Jack Crevalle. Oh my goodness. Ladies and gentlemen, look at this. Trying to get me a sheep. I got me a sheep right on this pile. And he is all twisted up in my line. There he goes. Look at that. Yes. That was the target species straight down on that piling. And we got him. Alright, we've got 2 shrimp left. And then we're going to call it a day. I just had a pretty good fish on over here, so I'm hoping I can get lucky and hook him up again. But I got 2 shrimp left to do it, so let's see if we can get lucky here. It's about the spot. Something down there playing with it. Feels pretty good too. Come on. Come on. There he is. Oh, got him, got him. Okay, not a monster, but decent fish. Yes, second to last shrimp of the day. Got a decent little fish, nothing huge. Boy, another little puppy drum. Had a good day with these guys. Puppy drum for dinners. They're so cool looking. Gotta be 14 inches, so he's way short. But they're just beautiful fish, fun to catch. See you, buddy.